you want to remove the SIM card slot from your Samsung smartphone, so first of all, let's examine our smartphone. So grab it and inspect your top and bottom panel. Usually the same card slots are there. Mine's is on the top. Here it is. If you can find it right away, you can check the sides, but in the newer models, it's usually located in the top or bottom. All right, locate a small hole next to our SIM card slot. Here it is, and grab your SIM ejector tool, or maybe some straightened paper clip if you don't have it, or maybe you lost it, right? Be careful not to mistake it for the microphone hole, because they may look similar. The correct hole is usually near the slot. So now insert your SIM ejector, push it a little bit, right? So our SIM tray will step out just like this. Now grab it and pull it up. Great. Here it is. Here is our SIM card. Now gently push it out of the SIM tray, just like this. As you see, our SIM tray is clean and new. You can add up some new SIM card or SD card if you need to, or if you don't want to have your mobile network, you can simply put it back. So find your SIM tray once again, put it back and gently close it, just like this. Don't put much power to it. It's normal and it's quite easy. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.